Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I want to go with the buys right now. Let's go. I go for 1 minute. We are at this red green pattern. You see red green, red green, red green, and we are not actually trending. This is a base. There's a possibility of this trend keeps coming down, but I think we're gonna need a green candle here. It's dropping, it seems. It's fine. Let's see if they're going to reject it or it's just going to be a losing trade. It's fine to have some losing trades. For me personally, I have a lot of losing trades, but I just keep doing the right thing. And at the end of the day, I'm just in profit, okay? This is the thing. We can't have 100% winning ratio, okay? Let's see if we're going to win this. All right. That was a winning trade. Oh my god. It created this doji for me, and it was a winning trade. We have some buying pressure on this week right here. So now I'm still thinking of having a green candle, but I'm kind of not sure about taking this trade because we had a lot of sellers pressure. And actually this pressure from the downside is coming from this little QM down here. And I am pretty sure there's a very nice demand area at the lower time frame. Let me just check it. Okay, yeah, this is the beautiful demand area and push the price to the upside. And yeah, it's just going up. I will look for other pairs. Okay, this is a beautiful doji. As you can see, we broke the doji, came back up, and the reason why I would take this trade is not only the doji, it's also this Marbuzu candle. Marbuzu candle is a candle without any shadow. It's pretty much a long candle, just like this one. If we combine this with other concepts, oh, let me just take this. I go for 2 trades right here. Okay, if you combine this Marbuzu candle with other stuff like doji break, it's a good combination, but we don't use that alone, right? So if I was seeing here, I wouldn't take this because it's the only reason for taking that, right? But if we have a doji break as well, I would take it. Actually, I would take this one. All right, I want to add, my entry is a little bad. I want to add 2 more right here. It's a doji break again. You know that when we break the doji once, we can break it twice. We broke it 3 times and still it's gonna work, okay? And my entry is a little bad because I was explaining about this Marbuzu. I'm pretty sure these two are gonna be winning trade, but I'm not sure about these 2 upper ones. That's why I put some, these 2 right here just to secure that. Yeah, we got the green one, but the entries are so important and my entries are always bad for some reason. But that's fine. We'll just keep looking. This is a very strong uptrend, so taking a sell after this is going to be a blind trade for me. I'm not going to take it. All right, this is a downtrend as you can see, but markets moved in a ranging market, so I can consider taking some buys right here. We also have the common points of rejection. Look, we have millions of rejections on this trend. Pretty much every single candle have a rejection. If we draw a common point between all of the rejections, we're going to have the common point of rejection. Imagine these candles are not formed yet. So the takeable trades would be these trades. You can see every single one of them rejected from this line, which is a common point between all of these rejections. Let me see if we can find an opportunity right here. Nope. All right, I missed this opportunity. I missed this sell right now. This was a first touch, second touch, third touch was breaking that, and I could take a sell exactly right here. This is a breakout setup. We also have the lower low right here. This is the lower low. This was nice. I really wanted to take this trade, to be honest. Yeah, it is what it is. Let's just look for other pairs, the opportunities. All right, we see a doji right now, and we have a supply here. Let me just mark the supply. If you break this doji and we go to the supply area right here, we might have a good trade. Okay, and this is the common point of rejection. As you can see, we draw the common point between all of these rejections and can reject once again. All right, I want to take a buy right now. I want to take a buy. Like, look at that. Doji break again happened here, and we got the gap up as a confirmation. If I see a gap down, I will take a buy right now. Oh, we see gap up, so I'm not taking a buy right now because it's okay. I'm gonna go with the sellers right here. It's, you know, if you're going with the buyers, it means that you fell into the trap. Alright, it was a winning trade. The reason why I took a sell, obviously, because of this gap up. Most of the time we have a good setup. And for example, here I would take a buy normally, because as you can see, we are moving in a color pattern, right? After every single red candle, we got the green one, plus we have broken this ABC. It's ABC breakout. See, it's ABC breakout. We got this QM. So normally we would think of, oh, this is ABC breakout, so we normally want to go for the QM. So I'm going with the buys right here, right? And you lose a trade and you're like, oh, why did I lose that? Why we broke this, you know, doji again? Okay, but this gap down can change everything, right? When you deciding to go with the buyers, and then all of a sudden you see a gap down, the candle saw from down here, it's in the favor of buyers. But in this case, we got this gap up. Gap up starts from this candle's body, and this candle's body is full of sellers, so it's just gonna push that down again, even though everything is with the buyers, right? So you need to take that into account. All right, again, look at that. This is a beautiful example. This is a third touch breakout, right? Oh, we don't have lower low. If we had lower low, it would be valid, but this time it's not valid. I wouldn't take this. But if you look, you see a gap down. So it's just, it will push the buyers again into the market. All right, now we got this QM. This is my QM zone, okay? ABC to the upside, break the previous swing, break the previous low. It creates this zone for me, which is a QM zone, and price can react from it, okay? After that, we go to the higher time frame, and we see that it's happening inside of an engulf. So that's valid for us. I go to a lower time frame step by step to find the supply area. There we go. Fresh supply. Right here, we have another fresh supply down here, which exactly reacted from that. But we don't want to take that trade on here. We want the entry above the zone, okay? This could be a winning trade, but I personally would prefer this one because it's just safer, okay? As you can see, it would be a winning trade, but I will wait for this one to come up. We'll place this right here. I want to go with the buyers right now in this candle. Yeah, this is the fresh demand area for me. I will exactly explain why am I taking this trade. If you look at this, you know that we can have supply and demand inside of engulfing patterns, right? But it's very important where the engulfing coming from. Okay, in this case, you have a well-respected resistance area, right? And then we broke that, and the decision has been made somewhere here, right? If you go to lower time frame, I am almost 100% sure that, yeah, this is not fresh, but I will go one more time. Yeah, this is the decision point for that breakout. Okay, if I draw that, yeah, let's go 10 seconds, precisely 5 seconds. Okay, this is the best one. Okay, this is the decision point for us, and if the market comes down here, it will reject. Okay, now the price is coming from this area, from the decision point, right after the breakout. So it's just going to keep going until the previous high at least. Okay, if we're in Forex, we will set the take profit to previous high, but since it's binary, we don't have take profit. We just enter exactly right here, it will reject, and it would be a winning trade. I missed this opportunity actually, and then I saw this engulf, and it was coming from this area, this supply. So I thought if we find the setup inside of it, it will react because we're just increasing the probability, right? Just like that. Beautiful, right? It's also fresh. Okay. All right. I'm gonna stop right here. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and peace out.